Hello everyone, welcome to the video. So in this video, let's discuss about AWS Secret Manager. So before moving into the video, let's see what are the topics which we are going to cover in this video. So firstly, let's take an introduction to the AWS Secret Manager, and next we are going to move to the key features of AWS Secret Manager, and let's see what are the benefits and how the AWS Secret Manager works, and what are the use cases of the Secret Manager. So, firstly, what is Secret Manager? So, the AWS Secret Manager is a service provided by the AWS. So, that will help securely store and manage the sensitive information such as database credentials, API keys, and other secrets like passwords, like that. So, it allows user to easily rotate, manage, and retrieve the secrets needed for their application or the service. So it ensuring that these sensitive values are handled securely and not exposed in the code or the environment variable. So it's the AWS service that will help you to securely store and manage the sensitive information like password, API keys, and database credentials. And you can also set up automatic updates for your secrets, they can they stay secure over time. So additionally, the secret manager tracks and logs access to secrets, and it will help you to monitor and manage their usage securely. Now let's see what are the key features of AWS Secret Manager. So firstly, it's an automatic secret rotation. It provides the automatic secret rotation feature. So it contains the built-in support for the AWS database, and it also provides the customizable rotation for the other services. So it is automatically change or rotate the secrets like passwords or APIs for the supported AWS database. And you can also set up the customized rotation for the services or the applications you use. And secondly, it provide the fine-grained access control. So you can use the AWS IAM policies to control which user or service can access the specific secrets, and it ensuring only authorized user can view or manage them. And thirdly, it provide the feature like auditing and monitoring. So it is integrated with the AWS Cloud Trial for the tracking. So the AWS Secret Manager is integrated with the AWS Cloud Trial, so which allows you to track who can access your secrets and when. So this will help you to keep eye on the secrets usage for the security and compliance. And it also provide the secure retrieval feature with the help of the AWS SDK and the CLI support. So the AWS will provide the easy way to securely retrieve your secrets using the AWS software development kits and the AWS command line interface. So this will ensure the secrets are accessed in the safe manner by the application or the users. And lastly, it provide the encryption for your credentials or whatever data you have stored. So all the secrets stored in the AWS Secret Manager are automatically encrypted by using the AWS Key Management Service, and it ensuring that sensitive data is stored securely and can only be decrypted by the authorized user or the services. Now let's see what are the benefits of the AWS Secret Manager. So it provides the enhanced securities, protect sensitive data with encryption and the control access. So as I mentioned before, so it provide the security to your credentials or your sensitive data. So the AWS Secret Manager ensure that sensitive information like passwords and API keys is kept secure by the encrypting the data and controlling who can access it. So only the authorized users or the application can view or the use these secrets. And secondly, it's a simplified management. So it automates secret rotation and reduce manual effort. So instead of manually updating and rotating secrets, so the AWS Secret Manager automates this process. So it regularly changes secrets to keep them fresh and secure, reducing your workloads. And thirdly, compliance. So it helps meet security and regulatory requirements. So the AWS Secret Manager will help you to meet security and regulatory requirements by storing and managing secrets in a way that compliance with the industry standards. So it provides the features like encryption and auditing that are often required by the regulations. And lastly, integration. So works with the variety of AWS services and other party application. So you can so the AWS Secret Manager so integrated seamlessly with the many other AWS services like EC2 instance, Lambda, or the RDS. So, and it also supports the third-party application. So this will make it easy to manage secrets for all the tools and services you are using without needing customized solution. Now let's see how the AWS Secret Manager works. So firstly, you can store the sensitive information like passwords or API keys in the AWS Secret Manager. So it using the you can use the web console to store this information, or you can use the software development kit, or you can use the command line interface. So this will securely saves your secrets in the systems. When your application or service needed the secret like passwords, so uh, they can retrieve it securely by making an API calls uh, to the secret manager. So with the help of the API calls, you can retrieve your data. So this will ensure secret is accessed when needed and in a secure way. And you can set up automatic policies to change your secret regularly. So this will reduce the risk of secret being compromised over a time. Uh, and It's all done automatically by the AWS Secret Manager. And lastly, you can track who can access your secret and when. So using the AWS Cloud Trial. So this will give you detailed logs to monitor usage and ensure that only authorized users or services are uh, interacted with your secrets. Now let's see what are the use cases of the AWS Secret Manager. So firstly, database credential management. So it will help to rotate a credential for the RDS and other databases. So you can store and automatically rotate the credentials like username, passwords for the databases such as Amazon RDS, like that. So these things ensure the database access is always secure and that credential are updated regularly, so without the manual intervention. And you can and the AWS Secret Manager will provide the API key management. You can securely store and access the API keys. So the AWS Secret Manager allow you to securely store and manage the API keys, and the only application can then securely retrieve these key so when needed, and it ensuring they aren't exposed or hard coded in your code. And the third party integration, so it use with the external application needing sensitive data. So if your application or services need to interact with the external third party application, example like payment process or the external APIs, so you can securely store the sensitive data required for these integration, and ensuring they're protected. And lastly, CI/CD pipeline, so you can store and retrieve the secret for the automated deployment. So continuous integration and continuous deployment setup. So secret manager can store the secrets and automatically provide them to the pipeline during the build and or the deployment process. So this will help secure your automate workflows without exposing the sensitive data. Now, let's see how we can able to store these our credentials or our data with the help of the AWS Secret Manager. So for that, you need to go to your AWS console. So this is the AWS Secret Manager console. So here you can see the button called Store a New Secret. So click on that. Here, you need to choose what type of the secret or the credential you're going to store with the help of the secret manager. So you can choose the credential for the Amazon RDS, or you can choose the credential for the Amazon Redshift data warehouse, or you can choose a credential for the other databases, or you can choose the other type of secrets. So now I'm going to choose the other type of secrets. So when you click on the other type of secrets, you can store the value with in the format of key value pair. So you need to provide your information in the form of key and value pair. So firstly, I'm going to store a key. I'm going to give a username, that is a username, and the value is Santosh Kumar SF. So this is the username, and you can add one more value, password. After that, here the encryption key, I'm going to leave it as AWS Secret Manager. So next, click on here. You need to give the name for your secret name. So I'm going to give my credential. You can give a description. It's an optional thing. So here you can see replicate secrets. So if you want to replicate your credential, so you can choose the reason, or else you can leave it as default, and click on next. So here you can see the configure rotational. So if you want to enable you need to give the lambda function. So if you enable the rotational, you need to provide the lambda function. So now I'm going to keep it auto rotation as a disabled. Click on next. And before going to story word secret, so verify the all the configuration which you have made. So here you can see this is the sample code. So you can choose the language whichever you are convenient. So here you can see this is the Java code to retrieve the uh, secret in your application. They provide a multiple language. So Java, JavaScript, CH, Python, Ruby, Go, and Rust. So you can choose whichever you are convenient. And you can download that this file, this code, and click on store. Here you can see my credential are stored in the secret manager. So click on that. So this is the credentials which you have stored. So if you want to retrieve this, here you can see the button called retrieve secret value. Click on that. So when you click on that, you can retrieve the secret with the help of the AWS console. So here you can copy these things. Uh, Now let's see how to retrieve these secret value with the help of the AWS CLI. So to retrieve the secret values with the help of the CLI, open the command prompt and configure the AWS. So with the help of the AWS IAM role secret key and the secret key and access key. So we need to give the command configure AWS configure. So you need to enter the access key. After, you need to enter the AWS secret access key. So here you can see this is my region which I'm going to which have stored the secret value. So hit enter. Now I have logged into the I have configured my AWS. So now let's retrieve the secret values. To access the secret value, give the command AWS Secret Manager describe. So first we need to describe the secret value which we have stored in the secret manager, AWS Secret Manager. Now I need to enter the ID, so the secret ID. So I gave my credential my credentials. So hit enter. I think I gave the wrong command. Give the command AWS Secrets Manager get secret value hyphen secret ID and name of the secret, my my credentials. Hit enter. So here you can see these are the credential which I have stored. So firstly, here you can see the version ID. This is the name of my credential which I have gave, and here in the secret string, your name is Santosh Kumar SM, and the password is Santu at 1239. So this is how you can retrieve the credential or secret information which you have stored in the AWS Secret Manager with the help of the command line interface.